Ladies and gentlemen, Trump investors are losing money like crazy. Look, Trump is on trial, and a lot of it have to do with not only his taxes but his businesses. If this man really truly knew how to run a good business, wouldn't you see it by now? Seriously, without all kinds of corruption? How come we're not seeing it without the corruption? That should say it all. And I already did a video on Truth Social, lost $58 million. Yeah, come on. Trump is like cursed when it comes down to business. So let's get into it. Trump stock investors have already lost half of their money. And they said some of these people put their life savings into Donald Trump, his business, and look at what's happening. And this is Truth Social. So shares of Trump Media and Technology Group are in free fall. The Truth Social owner share price dropped another 5% as of midday Friday, leaving it on track for the seventh losing day out of the past eight. So it means only one day it didn't lose. Woo, man. The only gain during the span was a tiny one of 0.8% on Tuesday. Trump Media is now trading at below $31. That's a far cry from the intraday spike to nearly $80 in March. They said as of March 26th, his stock was at $80. Now it's below 31. Wow. The day it went public on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol DJT. In fact, everyone who bought Trump Media at the closing high of $66.22 on March 27th has now lost more than half their money. The steep sell off has put a dent in former President Donald Trump's net worth. He owns a dominant stake of 78.8 million shares in the company, which generates little revenue and is losing users. At the closing high for Trump Media stock price, the former president's stake was valued at 5.2 billion. The value of those shares has since plummeted down to 2.4 billion. Truth Social created a free speech beachhead against the big tech for a fraction of the startup and operating costs that the legacy tech corporations incur. We have no debt, more than $200 million in the bank, and support of hundreds of thousands of retail investors who believe in our mission. This is what Trump spokesperson said, Shannon Devine, said in a statement on CNN. Shannon, you sound like you're full of crap, for real. The steep losses underscore why some experts warned retail investors to tread very lightly with this stock. Trump Media disclosed losing $58 million in 2023 on very light revenue of just 4.1 million. Yep, and that's what I did a video on a few weeks ago. And yet the company is still being valued in the billions of dollars, leaving experts scratching their head. Well, everything's rigged up out here. I have no doubt that whatever they're doing for Donald Trump, that's just another rigging. Y'all rig up everything. I mean, what's the big deal? You rig up everything. You give the appearance that you're good at business, but when you take a closer look, y'all ain't that good at business. Just not. So, one common way to value stocks is to measure their price to sale ratio. Even if Trump media share price crash to just over $1, it would still have a much steeper price to sale ratio than Meta, Snap, Reddit, and even Rumble, according to Renaissance Capital. Billionaire Barry Diller, chairman of Expedia and People magazine, told CNBC that Trump media is a scam and people buying it are dopes. Shannon Devine, a Trump media spokesperson, recently denounced the criticism, saying it is unsurprising to see diehard Trump haters and left wing flacks blow a gasket now that Truth Social has become a public company that still today refuses to suppress political expression. I bet you if a bunch of us got on there, they would be doing the same thing Elon Musk do, claim it's freedom of speech, and then as soon as you say something he don't like, he's shutting you down. Oh, softy. So anyway, even though Trump media stock is tumbling lately, it does remain up more than 74% on the year when accounting for gains from the blank check company it merged with. So, those of you that invested in Trump media look like you're a lot less richer than when you first invested your money. I'm not surprised. You know how they always say some people got a green thumb and they can grow virtually anything, and then some people got a brown thumb. Trump has a brown thumb in business. He really, truly does. Y'all remember Trump University? Where is it today? Man, please. Everything this man puts his hands on turns to mud, for real. Y'all, you're going to have to tell me what you think. I'm laughing at you, MAGA fools, that put your money in Trump's business and now you lost over half. You lost over half of your money. Oh, well, I guess easy come, easy go. Just know if you invest in Donald Trump, chances are you're going to lose more than you gain. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.